welcome back to Insta-Nails by Lisa. I'm a Color Street stylist and I wanted to share with you today how to repair a nail if it breaks way down by your quick line. So I had a nail break about a week ago and I noticed it when I was taking off my nail polish. So today when I took off my nail polish again, I figured I'd show you how I fixed it last time, and I'm gonna do it again with you today. So if you can see up here, I don't know if you can see it, but you can see how it's broken right there. So it's been broken there for about probably almost 2 weeks. So what I do is I bought some nail glue. You can use any kind of nail glue, but I got this at Walgreens, I think, or at Target. But it's nail glue. It's almost like super glue. You could probably use super glue too. It came off when I took my nail polish off because the nail polish remover ate that away. So that's why I'm putting it back on. But I put it on, I file it down a little so it's nice and smooth, and then I use my Color Street on top of it, and it's been nice and consistent, and it hasn't broken yet, knock wood. So let's go. I'm gonna change the camera here for a sec, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. All right, so let's get started. So I'm gonna take the top off the glue. A very little bit goes a very long way with this. So I'm just gonna take that there, and I'm gonna squeeze it. And that's pretty much all it takes. So you can kind of see it's a little shiny, and it dries really quick. And if you touch it, it's like super glue, so it's gonna glue something else to it. So I'm gonna blow on it and let it dry. Once it's dry, we will be back. I'm pulling my skin down underneath it because I do not want the glue to attach my skin to my nail. And I will show you what I do next in a second.